What's up, guys? It's Josh. Thank you so much, Flip Nation, for returning. Follow me, Josh the Reseller, on Instagram. Josh on YouTube is this channel. Thanks for stopping by. Guys, I did it. I got a gold Kaws holiday space figure, and I didn't have to buy it on StockX or eBay. I got it straight when it dropped, and I got it for $500 US. So you can see Hong Kong into US, it's $500. Guys, take a second, pause your screen, and read this. You can see it literally was sent to the moon at this huge event where it went 135,000 feet into the air. This is the coolest collectible ever. It's the MTV Moonman trophy from the 2013s. Guys, it doesn't get better than this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And now I'll show you what it's cost on StockX already after one day. So you can see it's $1,150 to $1,500. Look at that, $1,587. I'm not selling mine until it hits 5,000.